Well, welcome to Cortex Helicopter Trending Edition. Today, the Judicial Service Commission has employed judges of the High Court and the Environment and Land Court. We want to explain the two courts, what they mean. The judiciary, or employment of judicial officers, is conducted by the Judicial Service Commission. The Judicial Service Commission advertised for positions of judges. 100 were shortlisted. They did the interviews in open. Today, the Judicial Service Commission has announced the following judges of the High Court of Kenya. We wish to thank them and wish them a happy victory. It was gruesome. They are men and women of integrity. They are men and women who have done a lot. Some are former magistrates. Some are former university lecturers. Some are from the state law office, that is the Attorney General's office. Some are coming from the office of the ODPP, and some are private practitioners who are advocates, members of the Law Society of Kenya. Let me have the honor to announce the names that the JSC has released. For the position of the Judge of the High Court of Kenya. First, number 1, is Honorable Robinson Ondieki Kebabe. 2, Honorable Roslyn Akinyi Oganyo. 3, Honorable Paul Kipkosgei Rotich. 4th, Honorable Joyce Mkambe Gandani. 5, Honorable Joseph Maloba Were. 6, Honorable Dixon Odhiambo Onyango. 7, Honorable Alex Kimanzi Ithuku. 8, Honorable Mother Wanzila Mutuku. 9, Mr. Bernard Wafula Murunga. 10, Honorable Francis Nyungu Chambia. 11, Honorable Leticia Mudhoni Washira Ruiga. 12, Honorable Kennedy Lekamai Kandet. 13, Honorable Richard Kipkemboi Koech. 14, Mr. Emmanuel Omondi Bita. 15, Honorable David Wanjoi Mburu. 16, Mr. Dominic Kipkemboi Rono. 17, MS Winnie Narasha Molonko. 18, MS Judith Chelangat Mutai. 19, Mr. Joseph Kipkoech Biomdo. 20, MS Anne Mary Auma Okutoi. 21st, Mr. Abdi Mohammed Hassan. 22, Dr. Nabil Mukaya Orina. 23, MS Patricia Naekule Parashau. 24th, MS Catherine Akaigwa Kasim. For the Environment and Land Court, that is the ELC Court, JSC nominees for the Judge of the Environment and Land Court: Mr. John Walter Wanyonyi, Honorable John Jacinta Atieno Orwa. 3, Mr. Peter Muneeno Musimi. 4th, Honorable Cyprian Mugambi Ngudari. 5, Honorable Charity Chebi Oluoch. 6, Honorable Gahad Gitonga Mushege. 7, Honorable Charles Njore Ondiek. 8th, Dr. Robert Omondi Owino. 9, Honorable Lillian Suma Lewa. 10, MS Belinda Akoth Akelo. 11, Honorable Ben Mark Ekubi. And we wish to thank Ben Mark Ekubi because he at one time gave an interview on Court Helicopter. Congratulations, Judge Ben Mark Ekubi. 12, Mr. Josephat Ngeria Kuyon, and lastly, Honorable Elena Gadoni Derito. In total, there are 24 judges of the High Court of Kenya and 13 judges of the Environment and Land Court, which brings us to 37 judges that have been appointed. The judges of the High Court preside over criminal matters, judicial review matters, family matters, all matters that go to the High Court. Environment and Land Court matters, they deal with matters of land and environment. This is a specialized branch of the High Court. We wish all that contested and did not make it. There is tomorrow. Court Helicopter followed the proceedings and the interviews as they were done. For those ones who have successfully been elevated to be judges of the High Court of Kenya, remember, a judge does not retire at 60. Chief magistrates, the last station of a magistrate, and I want us to have this, the lowest entry point is an RM, a resident magistrate. You rise to a senior resident magistrate. You rise to a principal magistrate. You rise to a senior principal magistrate. You end at the chief magistrate. If you will not be promoted to the judge, you retire at 60 years. The judges retire at 70 years. The judges have a security of tenure of office. The magistrates do not have security of tenure. For the judges, the new judges, we wish you a fantastic job at the bench. You know, and we know we are happy. Thank you very much. And from Court Helicopter News, we wish them, those who are happy with their families, this momentous epoch. What is the procedure from here? They must be sworn in by the President of the Republic of Kenya. They will take an oath before the President of the Republic of Kenya. We wish them all the best, because these are men and women who are going to dispense justice without fear or favor. May God bless all those who have succeeded. Wakili Dan Stanomari, asante sana.